On, everybody? Welcome. Hello, hello, hello. How are we? Good morning. You guys can see my pots and pans back there, but yeah, I have no doors. They're painting doors, but what's up? What's going on, everybody? Hit the like button here on your way in. Definitely do that. All right, lot to get into. Lot going on in the markets. A lot of things happening. So happy to be here with you guys this morning, Tuesday morning. Welcome in. Welcome. Lot to get into here this morning. We've got some meme coins looking really strong, some blue chips looking really strong. We're going to kind of work through it, give you guys what I'm thinking right now, some of the top news, some of the things I'm watching, etc. So welcome in, guys. Welcome. Who do we got here this morning? Let us know who's in the chat. Good morning to everybody out there. Bitcoin had a nice pump yesterday to 72, kind of retracing a little bit right now. Definitely quieting down after a big blow-off morning yesterday and really a big day. Bitcoin getting back to 72K. Ethereum had a really nice run. Got up over 3,700 as well. It's cooling down just a little bit. There are some altcoins in the top 100 running a little bit. Nervous Network and Toncoin. How about Toncoin? That has been making some major moves along with Phantom. XRP up a little bit, actually. Jasmy up a hair. Cardano up a hair. Toncoin recently passed Cardano, which is pretty crazy. But good morning to everybody. Hello. We got Pete, Crypto Zero, Patrick, Noah Jimenez, Emax in the house, Moonbound. We got a bunch of people in the chat. Of course, we've got our meme coins we're going to cover, guys, in this one as well. Man, we're watching a couple big meme coins on base just dominate right now. We've got, of course, Solana meme coins have not went away, that's for sure. We've got meme coins on Ethereum as well, pressing up as well. We've got some interesting things to talk about, guys, that's for sure. No doubt about it. One thing we saw happen yesterday, guys, was Ethereum actually started to rise against Bitcoin. We'll see if that trend continues. Here still in the last 7 days, Ethereum has outpaced Bitcoin a little bit. A lot of people speculating on an Ethereum ETF. When and if we'll see Ethereum kind of go against the grain a little bit and outpace Bitcoin for a longer period of time. That's the question. Will we see it? We've had little blips like this where Ethereum has outpaced it for a little bit and then Bitcoin quickly regains that dominance back. So we'll see if Ethereum can continue on and see if ETH ETFs will affect the price. I think they will if and when we get that news. But Bitcoin obviously exceeded 72,000 yesterday with that rise it experienced yesterday. But Ethereum performed better to Bitcoin. So as good as Bitcoin looked yesterday, Ethereum looked even better. Now Vitalik Buterin, obviously the co-founder of Ethereum, gave a speech at a festival held in Hong Kong. Many people thought that was maybe the rise of Ethereum. I think that probably played a role. But Luke Nolan from The Block stated that the tokenized fund launched by BlackRock, the world's asset management company, on Ethereum last month, is also an important catalyst for Ethereum. That is very interesting. You know, we've covered that, but maybe not covered it enough, guys, in terms of what's going on there. BlackRock launched a tokenized fund on Ethereum. This is certainly bullish for the price of ETH, certainly bullish for that whole area of RWA and tokenized assets. The fact that BlackRock chose Ethereum to build on top of is huge for anybody holding Ethereum, anybody invested there, anybody concerned with Ethereum's price. So that, along with Ethereum ETF, along with just good market sentiment, you know, we've got some really interesting things happening there. So yeah, we are going to get into some meme coins on base. There's a small cap, a large cap that I want to highlight, and some other ones as well. We're going to get there in just a minute. But I wanted to kind of give you guys the macro in terms of ETH and Bitcoin, kind of what we're seeing. You know, we haven't seen a lot said from the SEC versus ETH ETF I don't know, argument or whatever you want to call it. And it's been very quiet. Now, do I think it's likely that the United States SEC approves the spot Ethereum ETF in May? Probably not. My guess, it's just a guess, my bet would be that they'll kick this can down the road a little bit, and probably, kind of drag this thing out. But eventually I think an Ethereum ETF will get approved, guys, and I think that'll certainly be a catalyst, 100%. We didn't get a chance to go live yesterday, but I did make a video yesterday about this. So we've got some news coming in yesterday, also helping the price of Bitcoin for sure. 284 billion China Southern Fund reportedly applied to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong. That is a big deal. That is certainly a big deal. And the mainland remains cautious, but Hong Kong has adopted a much more open approach to digital assets. The location provides a legal loophole for Chinese companies to participate in the burgeoning Bitcoin asset class. This is big. This is big. Is it banned in China? Is it not banned in China? Nobody knows. It's always back and forth. But Hong Kong is definitely opening the door for a lot of investors from China that are looking to make a big play on Bitcoin. So there's no doubt that has been something to watch. That is something yesterday that came up. And then, of course, guys, how about the base chain? What we've seen happen on the base chain, Coinbase's Base L2 blockchain, Base daily new users, guys, has just absolutely continued to skyrocket. And at last check, as of yesterday now, how many daily new users do you think we're at? Total users of the base chain in a very short amount of time. Over 6.5 million. The base TVL has exploded, has absolutely exploded. Most of the TVL, their total value bridged, most of that is coming by way of Ethereum at $1.2 billion plus dollars. That is insane. And then total revenue has just been a rocket ship too. Daily transactions, weekly transactions, daily new users, weekly new users. Any metric you look at right now on Base, and I'm looking at Dune's Analytics, D-U-N-E, any metric you look at Coinbase right now in their Base L2 chain, it is just straight up, okay? It is like parabolic move to the upside in terms of user activity, TVL, revenue, daily transactions, weekly transactions. So that has just been amazing to see. Now, speaking of Base, we've got a lot of things we're tracking, of course. And I'm tracking a lot of things on Base. I like the normie crypto. It's kind of in the large cap space-ish. That's been looking solid here. We talked about that a couple weeks ago. But how about Brett and how about Friends? F-R-E-N-Z. Those two in particular, I just talked about them in my video that just went out amid some other things related to the SEC versus Coinbase lawsuit, some deadlines there, which, by the way, we're keeping an eye on April 19th for that in terms of a deadline that's going to be crucial to watch. April 19th is the date we're watching there. It's the deadline for the SEC versus Coinbase demand, and that could be big because it's going to happen right around the Bitcoin halving too. Okay, so that's probably the biggest thing happening right now that not a lot of people are talking about. So that is the case management plan submission deadline in the Coinbase versus SEC case, April 19th. Now, in addition to all of that, right around the same time frame, we've got the Bitcoin halving happening. We've got Doge Day happening. We've got Token 2049 happening, which I'll be out there in Dubai, bringing you guys up to speed on news and information. So can't wait for that. Moonbound with a $5 donation. That incoming ETH ETF will be the icing on the cake. Yeah, man, I agree. I think that could certainly be a huge catalyst for us. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. We got a bunch of people in the house. Yeah, crypto is all about Friends. It's looking bullish, man. Illuvium and Samsung partnership. Yes, it's going to be glorious. SHIB is not moving much. No, SHIB's been pretty quiet, but that's okay. I mean, it has stabilized nicely. We will take a look at SHIB too. There's a big level we're staying above, which is really bullish on SHIB. Again, the longer you consolidate, usually the bigger the breakout. Friends will give back more ETH to their holders than any crypto project ever. It's the publisher's clearinghouse of crypto. Hey, I love it. I love their vision with it. And that's why we got in pretty early, around 400 or 500, about 400,000 market cap. We got into Friends, and that is one of those small caps right now. It's 1.81 billion. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about Brett. We'll talk about some of our other meme coins that we like, guys. And appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. We just had somebody sign up, just got the alert, just had somebody sign up for XT Algo, my trading indicator. Links are down below if you guys are interested in that, a little over $1 a day. Of course, we've got a bunch of areas you can trade. I got big discounts if you want to get those when you're trading too. CoinW, Margex, if you're leverage trading, and Bybit, all down below in the description, all coming with unique benefits as well. But yeah, Friends last night, man, almost got to 5 cents. In fact, it might have wicked up, got close to 5 cents on a wick up. So that's been certainly one to watch. Appreciate you guys for tuning in here too. Yeah, this is the Friends chart, FRENZ, on base, small cap. We've been talking about this one for a little while now, a couple weeks. 1.81 million, 1.2K holders. The volume is what I'm watching, really picking up nicely. And there's their chart. Look at that nice resurgence. That's the 12-hour view of Friends. If you go to the daily, look at that reversal. We set all-time highs, actually right there just now, setting all-time highs. There's the 3-day chart. So we had 3 days, about 9 days of, downward action, and then a really nice reversal starting 3 days ago on April 6th. That has continued here, and Friends setting some new all-time highs. FRENZ. Like mentioned in the chat, guys, they are giving away a ton of ETH to their community. It's a meme coin, but they're basically using the Ethereum that people sell through their taxes. They're using that Ethereum, which they're calling Jeet Ethereum, and they're giving it right back to the community, which is pretty epic. So we have been tracking this one, invested in this one, partnered up with them as well, full disclosure. But definitely take a look at this, guys. Talked about it in my video, FRENZ, on base. Now, the other large cap, and I love that we have a little bit of a mix here, right? We've got our small cap kind of position in Friends, and we like to look at everything, both small cap, mid cap, large cap. This is a relatively, I would say, large cap on base. It's the biggest meme coin on base. Over 65,000 holders. Over an $800 million market cap. Over 7.42 in volume. This is Brett on base. He is paving the way for small cap cryptos like Friends, paving the way for mid-sized cryptos on meme coins on base, and Friends has just been on an upward parabolic move. There's the 1 day right there. Look at that freaking chart. Up to the 8.1 level. We recently just set all-time highs there. Actually just scratched it yesterday. Absolutely loving this one, guys. I think this has the potential to go to multiple billions in this bull cycle. It is the largest meme coin on base, and I think inevitably the largest meme coin on base, Coinbase's L2, should get listed on Coinbase, wouldn't you think? Right? I would think so. I would think it has a phenomenal opportunity to do that. So those are some of the things we're watching there on the base chain. There are some others out there too. I know that people are watching Benji as well. Andy on base decided to launch over there. That's been looking really good. I don't know if anybody's in Andy. A lot of people still interested in Roost. Roost is kind of quiet right now, still at a $60 million market cap. Benji, 58 million, looking really, really strong still. So many meme coins on base right now, just exploding. Just exploding. And then we've got a ton of things happening on Solana, as we always do. Tons of meme coins pumping over there. I'm in some positions over there. Have not been as active with meme coins. I've been kind of slowing down chasing meme coins a lot lately. I've had a lot of good success here with meme coins. I've kind of been focusing more on some of my utility-based cryptos, taking some profits, kind of rebalancing the portfolio a little bit right now. But of course, I'm not going to shy away from opportunities. It has helped that my Brett bags have looked good. Friends is moving up. Those two I'm invested in. Pepe coin, the original Pepe coin, has been looking really good. Got a nice size position there. The original Pepe coin breaking out really nicely on the daily as well. This is not the Pepe coin you guys know and love, okay? This is the original Pepe coin from 2016. $887 million market cap, 7.44K holders, 3.82 in volume. This is the original Pepe coin, guys. That's a nice little breakout there. Almost 900 million. Okay, that's looking really strong. The original Pepe coin on ETH from 2016. Not the one we know and love that hit multiple billions, but this one is actually the original, the OG. So that's interesting. I've been focused on that. I think there's still upside there. But there are some utility-based cryptos I've been honing in on. Kendu is one meme on Ethereum that I like. Kendu Inu, Kendu, sitting at a $7 million market cap right now. So here you go. This is Kendu Inu, 7 million right now. It's up 22%. Kendu Inu right there, 7 million, 1.14K holders. That's it. Now, why did I get into this one? I got into Kendu Inu strictly because I saw Shytoshi from Shiba Inu following them when they had 600 followers on Twitter. Chart looks pretty strong. I like this one, guys. I like this one. This is one of the meme coins on base I am holding. Let's see here. So we talked about why I'm holding this Solana meme coin called Sphere. And I know this chart looks hilarious, but I placed a small bet on this, listening to some people. There's news out there that some investors from Dog Whiff Hat are paying $650,000 to get the Whiff logo, the Dog Whiff Hat logo, up on the Sphere in Las Vegas for a week. That's the going rate, guys. So you could pay $650,000 to get anything you want up on the Sphere in Vegas. The plan is for them to do that. There's not a timetable. But because of that, it's a complete degen play. But I found by listening to some people, this crypto called Sphere with Hat. Now, there are a lot of them. This is the one on Sol that I'm in. Make sure you guys can see the address there, ending in X1P9. Okay, it's a 671K market cap. As always, guys, not financial advice. This is freaking degen hour here, okay? But it's way down. It did pop up. So a lot of people are going to speculate maybe on Sphere with Hat when Whiff gets on the Sphere. We don't know exactly when it's going to happen, but I like that narrative. I like that play. I'll take a chance there. So if you guys like the alpha, I'm giving you guys just free alpha. Make sure you guys do subscribe. I'm giving you guys my insights, my ideas, my opinions, and hopefully we get some big winners out of this. Okay, I did mention Friends. That's looking really strong still. Friends and Sphere is up here, actually up 40% right now. Pang is up 36%. We never did get into Pang. There's the daily chart trying to bounce back up. We never did get into Pang. Hoshi, which is part of the Suka ecosystem on ETH, a little under 1 million. We never did get into Hoshi as well. That chart's way down right now. Spooky, this is one we got wrecked on. We're just holding the bag in hopes that this thing has a resurgence. But hey, sometimes when you're trading meme coins, you get frickin' wrecked. And I got frickin' wrecked. Smash the like button and subscribe if you've been wrecked in crypto. I think that's everybody, right? But it happens. You got to keep it moving. And this is why you don't go all in on these things. You throw a few darts, you try to get a couple of hits. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to hit them all. It's impossible, right? But yeah, Spooky, we're hanging on to it. We'll see if it has a little resurgence. Mentioned Kendu. Kendu's looking really good. Yo, bro, can you read the chart for Chappie Z? I am. Yeah, I'm going through some of my key areas right now, but remind me here in a little bit. Thank you for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. And thank you to all the members here on the channel. Newbie here, which would be the best crypto for long-term gain and low risk? Well, I mean, if you're asking that, crazy, I mean, it's not financial advice, but Bitcoin, right? I mean, Bitcoin's the largest market cap. It's the most solidified from a regulatory standpoint, crazy. So if you just want to set it and forget it and get exposure, it's Bitcoin, man. It's, Bitcoin and or Ethereum, right? That's it. So that's, not financial advice, but that's my opinion there. Kendu Inu, guys, there's the chart. Looking really, really strong. Kendu Inu on Ethereum. meme coin, you got to love it. Got to love it. So Spooky, we said we were getting wrecked. This is VSG, Vitalik Smart Gas. Man, what a run up it had, and it's trying to build back up. Of course, there was going to be a little bit of a sell-off here. Hell, I even took profits. Full disclosure. I mean, you almost have to when you pump to these levels. You know, my exit strategy, my first exit strategy on Vitalik Smart Gas was around 30 million. We flew past that, I think, all the way up to 45 million, give or take. And still holding a nice size position here in this L2. This is another L2, Vitalik Smart Gas, VSG. Almost 16 million market cap still. Volume is picking back up slowly, so I do like the VSG token. That is ticker symbol VSG, contract address ending in 77AA, 77AA. Make sure you're looking at the right ones, and also don't just run and buy what I buy. Don't just run and get into what I'm in, okay? Use this as a starting point. Use it as a building block. Use it as information. I'm just giving you guys insights into how I'm playing things right now. It's not an endorsement. It's not, oh my gosh, Zach has it all figured out. I'm going to become a millionaire next week and if I just go buy what he buys. That's not what's going on, okay? That's not what happens. I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does. Taking chances. I'm just a dude like you guys trying to find some gems and make money in this space, right? Hey, Zach, hope you are well. Went to Shiba Wings Diner at the Gold Coast, Australia's first crypto-themed restaurant. Paid for my lunch with Shib, which was awesome. That is dope. That is dope, Ryan. That is dope. Appreciate you guys. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, family. How we doing? How are we doing? Appreciate you guys. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This was a damn little meme coin on Solana that I found at 20K. It's at 266K. I don't know anything about it. I didn't get in, and I've been watching it go up. I would have 10x'd. Somebody messaged me about it. It's called SPUD. It has no Twitter or anything, okay? But 5TGW, I have no idea. It's on a pullback, but I mean, this thing's, I don't know. It's been weird. The volume's been relatively low, but like nobody's selling this thing. From like 20K, I found it. I wish I'd have got in, but I didn't. It's called SPUD, S-P-U-D. Yeah, I will take a look at PT token. Remind me, please. Thank you for the $2 donation. Remind me here after we go through. I got to get through all of this, and then we'll take some requests from the audience and you know, kind of go from there. But I want to get through all the things I'm looking at. Hello Labs is one that I've been looking at for a while, and it just has continued to trend down. I'm glad I haven't opened up the position yet, and just maybe it'll come back down to these levels. I do want to open up a position in Hello Labs. It's down to a $39 million market cap right now. Thank God we didn't go buy up here at 20 cents when it hit all-time highs, okay? When it was a $120 million market cap. Thank God we didn't touch it. Oop, you couldn't even see that. Yeah, we didn't touch it up here. I said, this thing just went up way too fast. Let's wait. We'll track it. We'll watch it. And we actually timed this one up. Oftentimes, it depends what crypto it is, right? Sometimes you can't wait, you know, to time things up perfectly. Sometimes you just got to get in, right? And then other times, if it's something that's not like high priority, just be patient. Just be patient and kind of wait to see if it comes down to your level. If it doesn't, it's okay. It passes by and you find the next one. But I'm still tracking this. I'm looking for an entry point. So Hello Labs is an interesting one. That is ticker symbol Hello, and it's AC00 on the contract. So that is Hello Labs. K9 Finance, long-term play for us here, has been consolidating, has definitely not been unbelievable just yet, but it has found a floor. It looks as if K9 has certainly found a floor. Look at that consolidation after the launch. We're still above there. I think there's a lot of opportunity here in K9 Finance. Now, full disclosure, I am an ambassador for this program, this project. I am an ambassador for this project. K9 Finance was an early investor. It's part of the official SHIB ecosystem, bringing liquid staking to Shibarium, guys. So I'm going to be a long-term player in this. I believe in this idea because if you look at Lido DAO, or Lido DAO, depending on how you pronounce it, and what they've done for Ethereum, This is what Canine Finance can do for Shibarium, okay? So Canine Finance, the DAO, there's the contract address right there, okay? Ending in 6EAE, sitting at about a $7 million market cap. BOPE is another one. So I'm not in BOPE, but I am in BOEM. I am in a trade on BOEM, Book of Memes. We got in there at around 700 million when it dialed back from like 1.8 billion. So we were happy to get in there for sure. So we'll keep it moving here. Appreciate you guys for tuning in this morning. Appreciate you guys for being here. Everybody out there. If you are here, make sure you smash the like button. There's only 48 likes, but 322 people watching. That's a tough ratio. I know it's hard to find the like button, guys. It's the three little dots somewhere on your screen. Hit that, smash it. I think it's even easier to subscribe. So make sure you guys do subscribe, especially if you're new. We're live all the time, putting out tons of videos, tons of content for you, keeping you up to speed on what we're doing in the market. So make sure you do that. Success Kid is hanging in there. We're not invested in this one, but Skid on Sol, another meme coin, guys. No utility here, okay? But Skid is looking pretty strong. Again, guys, just giving you guys free alpha. Sometimes I'm invested in them. I'll let you know if I'm invested and or working with the project. This one is neither one of those. I'm not invested, but I'm still interested. I'm still looking at it because if it breaks out of this consolidation pattern, things could get interesting. It's only sitting at a $7 million market cap. Just want to put you guys on some free alpha. And volume has remained pretty steady, okay? That is the contract ending in H43D, H43D. Still watching this. This thing is still alive, guys. This thing is still alive. It really is. OX Scans. This is a utility-based crypto I've been invested in for a really long time, since they were like a $2 million market cap. I've taken some profits. I've rode up the chart with them, and I've got a moon bag, if you will, or a big bag for the long term. OX Scans does AI contract audits in crypto, still sitting at $16 million market cap. Only 2.62K holders. Volume has remained pretty steady. OX Scans, one that I'm holding here longer term. I've already profited. I'm already in the green. I've got what I wanted to get out of it as it ran up. I got in there pretty early, and now I want to be a holder with them throughout the rest of this bull run and see what they can do. There's a lot of these AI crypto projects in this range that I absolutely love, like that $15 to $30 million range, even $15 to $100 million range. There's a lot of projects that I absolutely love that have upside in my potential, or in my opinion, that have a ton of upside potential, and I want a piece of a lot of these AI cryptos, guys. This is the sector one of the sectors I've been focused in on more so than anything else. And I'm totally cool with that. Totally cool with that because there's just tons and tons of opportunities here. Okay, Byte I never got into. The chart looks okay still. Byte, B-Y-T-E, still $23.5 million market cap, still good volume. Never did get into this, but I'm tracking it, and I don't think it's a bad thing to look at. Still looking pretty solid, trying to bounce off the floor, trying to find a floor still, and maybe, just maybe it has. Yesterday it had a big green candle. So again, just putting you guys on free plays here. Not invested in this one, not being paid by this one or anything, not a partner or anything. Just things I'm watching, definitely things I'm tracking here, okay? And it might be a position I enter, at some point. Let's see what else we got. We talked about Brett already, but we'll pull it back up. Brett looks phenomenal. Brett looks phenomenal. $805 million market cap. Brett Coin on base. Shout out to Brett Coin on base. Shout out to the Brett Coin community. Where are my Brett Coin holders at? Let me hear you in the chat. Fire it up. Let me see the hundreds. Let me see the hearts. This thing has been steady Eddie all the way, all day. Brett Coin has been crushing it. I think this thing is going to multiple billions. Call me crazy. I am an ambassador, or whatever you want to call it. I've partnered up with them to help put eyeballs on the project. I bought into the project at around $100 million market cap and was, reached out to and told about this thing. I think this thing has the potential to, you know, literally, potentially could be the Shiba Inu on base chain. The Shiba Inu on base. Potentially. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Pepe coin, the original Pepe coin. Love it. Almost $900 million market cap. We covered that already. One of my favorites, guys. This thing looks strong. Strong, strong, strong. Kulo. I'm still holding Kulo, guys. Kulo is on Polygon Matic. Big meme coin over there. Still at 12 million. I'm still holding Kulo. We got in around 9 million. We rode it all the way up. We got our basis out. We profited from it a little bit, about 10 or 20% profits. And now we're just hanging in there. We've won the trade on Kulo. This is on Polygon Matic. Kulo is on Matic. So you're going to have to learn how to trade on the Matic network if you're interested in this. Volume is slowed down a little bit. That I don't like to see. But what I do like to see is 44,000 holders. Okay? That's what I do like to see. 44,000 holders still with Kulo. $12 million market cap. So I don't mind holding this after winning this trade, okay? After winning this trade, I'm hanging in there, seeing if this is going to be a big deal on Polygon Matic. We'll see. We'll see. We've been watching Squid Grow. I know their community's crazy. I know they were at NFT week. Squid Grow has been looking pretty solid, though. It really has been. It's at a $21 million market cap. We're not invested here. Not being paid to say anything. Just been watching this one. And I think it was Crypto Wendy who's been talking about them for a while. The volume is okay, steady. 20+ thousand holders, though. I like it. Robert Worm, channel member, morning. What do you think about Toshi? Toshi looks really bullish, too. I didn't get into it. I missed it. But I'm excited for anybody who got in and is crushing it. But yes, Toshi looks awesome. In fact, let's pull that up. We got to start tracking it. I'm glad you said that. Toshi's 275 million now. Whew. It's huge. It's freaking massive. Massive market cap now, which is fine. Sometimes, you know, personally, I'll wait for a pullback here. I'd like to, if I get it, I'd like to get it around 200 mil, give or take. But, you know, I might have just missed this one. Hey, congrats to anybody who's crushing it. The chart looks awesome. Take some damn profits, though, not financial advice. Take some damn profits. Shout out to PMPY, another AI crypto play that has just been amazing for us. They are building the AI mobile app that we've talked about before. PMPY, guys, Prometheum Prodigy, sitting at 17 million, a little over 2,000 holders, 51,000 in volume, still solid, okay? Still kind of underground, but look at that chart, looking really solid, sitting at about 3.5 cents just underneath it. So Prometheum, PMPY, we've been holding this one for a while. We've taken some profits on the way up, and we have absolutely crushed it with this thing. We found this thing at around a $2 million market cap. That $2 million market cap is always fun. If you can get down there and hit on some of these that go to 20, 30, 40 million, I mean, man, it feels good, right? ATAI, guys, Artemis AI, still like this one. Small cap AI crypto, sitting just under 5 million. They are in the NVIDIA Inception program. They've had nice volume still. Artemis AI, ticker symbol ATAI 0397, contract address ending in 0397. Artemis AI, this is a project I worked with, partnered up with, but also invested in as well. Really like it. We talked about why in some videos that we put out there. Artemis AI, interesting play. I think it's something definitely to look at. Here's another big cap AI. If you want a big cap AI project to look at, I'm not invested in this. And if this chart looks exactly like the original Pepe coin chart, it's because it pretty much is. And if you guys don't know about this narrative that's going on with Pepe coin ETH, the original Pepe coin, this coin right here, look at this chart. There's your Pepe coin chart. Here's your based AI chart. Tell me those don't look similar. Well, there's a reason why they do. So highly encourage you guys to dive into it. You got to go deep down the rabbit hole. But if you're somebody who wants to learn about why Based AI and Pepe Coin, the original Pepe Coin, are pumping together, look into it. I like the narrative. I'm in Based AI at $375 million market cap. We got in there around $300 million. Not sponsored by them or anything. This was just an open market buy on some information that I liked. And then Pepe Coin ETH, same thing. I bought that alongside Based AI, built out two decent positions there. So sometimes, I don't know, some would say, Zach, you only buy things that are really big, or you only buy things that are 100 million or more. I buy more things that are solidified, in my opinion, that are like more solidified, that still have legs, rather than these things that are, super, super low market cap, right? If I'm buying super, super low market cap, I'm only putting a very small amount in, right? If these things are more solidified, I'm going a little deeper. I'm going a little heavier in here, and I'm taking a little bit more of a chance, okay? Because inherently it's a little bit less risky, right? When you're investing in something that's more established. Just makes sense. So appreciate you guys for rocking with us too here. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you guys do subscribe if you haven't already. Going through some of our plays here. Buy Crow before $1. Crow fam in the house. What's up? Appreciate you, man. Yeah, love Kronos. I stake my Crow over there. I set it and I forget it. And one day I'm going to wake up in this bull run and Kronos is going to be past $1 and we're going to be loving it. I love it, man. Kronos is one of those top holds of mine for sure. When it comes to exchange and blockchain tokens, Kronos is my largest hold. So I love it. Absolutely love it. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu price. So where's my Shiba Inu coin fam out there? Where are you guys at? Now, one thing we are liking here from the SHIB chart, we're holding the line nicely. Okay, see this this kind of line right here, right around the 2.5 range. We're holding that, and that's turning into a nice support for us. So as long as we stay above that, we're okay. I mean, we haven't been exploding or anything, but this has been nice consolidation after the pump to the 4.5 level. I like where we're at right now. This to me is exactly what you want to see out of SHIB. And I know everybody wants 1,000x gains tomorrow. It's just not going to happen. You got to have patience, especially with a crypto that is massive. It's massive now, guys. It's not a small crypto anymore. When you're talking about a top 15 crypto, $16.5 billion market cap, guys. You can't expect a $16.5 billion market cap to explode and go to a penny or whatever. That's just not going to happen, okay? So you got to have realistic expectations for SHIB in this cycle. This is not the same Shiba Inu. It's not the same situation, guys, of last cycle. Last cycle, we were talking about SHIB that was in the millions of market cap and went to billions. We're not going to go from billions to trillions. I hate to say it. It's not going to happen right now, okay? So there's going to be what they call diminishing returns. In any asset that goes up parabolically, it makes sense. Anything that goes up like crazy can't go up as much in the next cycle or the next month or the next day or whatever. There's just diminishing returns over time. That's not to say Shiba Inu is a bad crypto. It's just, you got to be realistic. It is a large cap. It is a big boy now. Like it's not a little doggy anymore. It's not a little puppy anymore, okay? It is definitely not a little puppy anymore. That's for sure. So appreciate everybody rocking with me here this morning. We're going to go through some other ones too. There are some other ones we want to track here. Make sure you guys do subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that like button. We are getting very close to 140,000 subscribers, which absolutely blows my mind. I can't even believe we've been here for 3+ years, and man, it's been awesome. I'm so grateful for you guys and just for having the opportunity to hang out with you guys every single day, literally every single day. Like, you guys are my people. So I appreciate you guys more than you guys know. So all I ask, it's totally free to subscribe. Sure, you can check out the other things down there if you're interested in trading or my trading indicator, all of that. But this content for you that we do all the time on this channel. Sorry, I was getting a call there. Here, let's flip it back over because I do want to show you guys some other plays here. So Devour, DPay, Devour, man. This is another investment of mine, guys. I made this investment way back in 2022 when they first launched. I was here with Devour early days. And I'll tell you a little secret, guys. I don't know exactly what's going to happen here. I'm working on getting Devour partnered up with Shiba Inu. I had a chance to meet the people at Devour, okay, and I linked them up with Shytoshi, straight up. Straight up. I got him a meeting with Shytoshi. Now, I don't know what's going to come of it. I don't know if they're going to end up working together. I just wanted them to meet. I just wanted them to have a conversation and meet. That was it. And I was told that they are meeting, which is very interesting because if you look at Devour and what they are building, I think this would be a perfect situation for SHIB and Devour to partner up. Feeding the digital generation. They're getting into gaming, so they're going to have, basically they're the Uber Eats for the blockchain. Feeding the digital generation, more than an app, Devour is an innovative ecosystem where games, entertainment, and food converge. We are powering food ordering and engagement in unconventional places. Our platform not only connects restaurant brands with a digital first Gen Z audience, but it also is pioneering food perk rewards and tokenized promotions for next gen campaigns that deliver results, transparency, and connection. So it has this gaming and entertainment element to it. Their app is already out. They're in like, I don't even know, 12 states already. And I had a chance to meet this team. I've been working with them. I worked with them as an ambassador for over a year. And I just said, hey, you guys got to meet the team at SHIB. I was out at ETH Toronto. I met Marcy Jastro from the SHIB team, guys. I met William Volk from the SHIB team. I met Brandy. I met some people from the Shiba Inu team. And I also met people from the Devour team. And I'm like, guys, you need to talk to one another to see if you guys can form a relationship. And I actually just got word. I'm going to make a full video about this too. I actually just got word from the Devour CEO that I believe they have a meeting with some SHIB members coming up. So regardless of all of that, Devour has been absolutely crushing it. Just absolutely crushing it on the charts. We were talking about Devour when it was $2 million, guys. And nobody and their brother wanted to talk about it. It just recently flew up to like 48 million. Actually might even have hit a $50 million market cap. It's currently at 40 million right now. That is ticker symbol DPay, D-P-A-Y. DD78 is the last four in the contract. This is the daily. This thing was basically flatlining, doing nothing to start the year. And was at 0.001, and it is 17x'd from that level. 17x'd. So there you go, right? I mean, that's what it's all about. DPay looking really strong, guys. Really strong. We got a super chat here. What do we got? AC2A5, last contract number, Ducker. Please check it. Real Dominican team. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for the super chat. Here, we'll take a look at Ducker real quick. Real Dominicans always here supporting. So is it on ETH? Contract C2A5, I found it. Wow, it's been out for a while, huh? It's been out since 2023. Volume is too low for me. I wouldn't touch it, personally. So, and looking at Ducker here, I'll just give you guys my 2 cents here. Somebody put a super chat in here. They want me to look at this. And I could be wrong. Don't get me wrong, okay? I'm just not going to invest in this. 377K market cap. Okay, that's interesting. 854 holders. It's been around since 2023. But here's my issue. Only has 2.27K of volume in the last 24 hours. That volume number is crucial. Now, it doesn't mean the crypto's done. I mean, all it will take is like some big news and some big buyers to come in and this thing would spike like crazy. But to me, it's too much of a risk. I don't know where that volume is going to come from. Now, if I was interested in this thing, I would dig in and see if they're still active in the Telegram, see if they're still active on Twitter, etc. I mean, so their Twitter, They posted 22 hours ago. So they are still active on Twitter, which is good. And I could be wrong. I mean, maybe you know something I don't know. But just looking at that volume number, I don't like it. I don't like that volume number, personally. That's just me personally. So, let's see here. This is our friends chart we were looking at. We went up to about 4.4 here again. Got all the way up to like 4.9. Friends looking still solid here though. Normie's down 23%. But I like this. I like this overall chart for Normie on base. I'm not invested in this. Not working with these guys or anything. Just interesting. I've been looking at this thing and looking for an entry point. And it did bounce off this pretty nicely. I'm still kind of just watching it, maybe going to enter here. This is kind of a range I like, 93 million, 100 million. So I am watching Normie. It's interesting. It's on base. It's on base. Volume still really steady, well over 2 million, right? Those are the kind of things I like to see. They've been around over a month now, still getting well over 2 million in volume. So I still like Normie. This one, Just an Egg. We covered this. It's freaking hilarious, right? Just an Egg. It's hanging in there. It's got to hold this line. It's got to hold this line at 13.57 million. It's got to hold here. So we'll be tracking it. Talk to me about Friends. Infinite Money Coin, what's up? Friends is up 109%, man. It's looking really good. Looking really, what a strong bullish reversal there for sure on Friends. 1.74 million market cap. 1.2K holders. They're giving back a ton to their community. Volume is picked up nicely. So basically they take what they call jeeted ETH, people who jeet and dump on the chart, and they give it right back to the community every Friday. They do one every Friday. They do a monthly giveaway. They're doing some cool stuff, man. It's just a community token with a little twist. And I like it because they're not trying to do too much. You know, this is their Twitter over here, Friends. I like the name too. I like the name. I was trying to find, here it is. This is how it works. And they made all the wallets public, which is kind of cool. They made all the wallets public. Friends Friday weekly, that's where the money goes in and that's where the money goes out. Friends monthly is 40%, weekly is 30%. These are all their wallets, public wallets. Friends show to earn. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool concept. I've never really seen anybody do anything like it. It was kind of unique. But Evan Ginsberg with a $2 donation. Appreciate you, brother. And Infinite Money Coin. Appreciate your $5 donation there. But yeah, I like Friends. Been an investor in there for, I think it was like day 2 or something. I got in there. So I like what they're doing. And then I am working with them, full disclosure. I am working as a marketing advisor with them. So helping them with marketing, get the word out. As always, not financial advice. It's not an endorsement from me to go buy. It's just, hey, I'm helping them with marketing. They need help with marketing, as any company would, as any crypto would. And I'm happy to do that. I like their idea. I like their community they're building. And, you know, it's up to you if you decide to get in or not. But it is an interesting concept, I think, for sure. I'm trying to think what else we got here. APU and APU. Is it the one that was created 29 days ago? $90 million market cap. APU? Interesting. So what is this? This thing is on Ethereum. Thank you, Hot Sparky, for the $10 donation. We are taking a look at some viewers' requests here, guys. So if you guys do want me to take a look and give you guys my thoughts, we'll take a look at it together, and I'll give you guys some honest reviews here. APU, $90 million market cap. Man, why didn't I hear about this? Sub 5K holder, still unbelievable volume, 4.4 or 5.44. We are looking at the APU contract ending in 5BFA. APU. On a little bit of a pullback the last couple days. I kind of want to see where this falling knife stops. I want to see a little bit more consolidation before I would personally get in here. But this is interesting, Hot Sparky. Just on that basis alone, the volume's really good. Holders are solid. Market cap's solid. It's been around for a little while. It's on ETH. I'm going to give them a follow here. Interesting. APU. They just went live on Mexi 3 days ago. Interesting. I like it. That's interesting. Quentin Miller, good morning. That is a member here on the channel. What's up, Quentin? How you doing, man? Appreciate you for being a member and showing your support. Evan Ginsberg, Corgi, $2 donation. Yeah, Corgi is one we've tracked. We never did invest in it, man. We missed the boat on it. I don't know. It's probably pulled back quite a bit. That's Corgi Coin. That's not the right one. You want Corgi on... you want the one on Kronos, right? Where is Corgi on Kronos? Oh, here it is. Corgi AI on Kronos. So it's come down significantly. But it's interesting because this is possibly not a bad time. After a few days of green here, I mean, all it could take is another move like that and we could be setting all-time highs. I mean, this thing has kind of looked programmed a little bit. 694 million market cap. Volume is kind of low at 95K. It's a little bit low for this big of a market cap, personally. But the volume that's come in is buying volume, so that's good. It hasn't been met with a lot of sell pressure just yet. 47,000 holders, which is really good. This is still interesting. I think it's certainly still alive and well. Corgi AI, sitting just under 700 million. It's definitely on a nice little pullback, too. I'm not going to chase it just because it's so big and I kind of missed it. But I wouldn't say that it's something I would write off completely, if that helps. Can you do Chappie Z, bro? See what happens in the coming months in your people. Chappie Z. What is Chappie Z? Airdrop to OG Corgi NFTs. Nice. Right, APU. Sorry, missed last 4 digits. Can anyone confirm? Yeah, here we can go back for you. APU. APU is last 4 digits 5-8, or excuse me, 5BFA. That is 5BFA. 5BFA on the APU chart. 5B as in boy, FA. That is the one that's a $91.1 million market cap RC. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Definitely go check it out. This is what it's all about, guys. People throwing their thoughts out there, throwing their ideas, you know, and we can all learn from each other. That's what I love about this space, you know. 5 brains are way better than 1. You know what I mean? Trying to see if there's anything else that I definitely want to hit on right now. Quick shout out to Quick Intel. This is on a pullback right now. Tell you what, this is interesting because if we start bouncing off of this support, Quick Intel looking really, really good still. It'll be interesting to see if we bounce off this support. This is a company, no matter what, if you don't like the token, use the platform. It's an amazing platform that helps you with its AI contract auditing in real time. Quick Intel. They partnered up with Dex Tools, by the way. It's QKNTL. 7+ or just under $6 million market cap. Still good volume. I think it's an interesting spot here, especially if we bounce off support. Could be an interesting spot here for Quick Intel. I've been pretty much a day one investor in this and have helped them with marketing as well. But I love the platform in and of itself, no matter what. My trading alert platform is XT Algo. That's linked down below. That's my trading indicator software. XT Algo, linked down below. Make sure you use discount code X if you do get it, so you get all that money off at checkout, 21% off. Oh, this is the new flooring, guys, by the way. We got a couch. We're going to be having a chair delivered on Thursday, all these tables. It's coming together, man. the apartments or the condo's coming together. The condo is coming together. We don't have the basement done yet. That goes to the upstairs. You got 2 bedrooms, got a 65-inch there. So it's coming together nicely. That's my desk right now, is the kitchen table. Eventually in the basement, once we redo it all, we're gonna have a full new studio downstairs. So, full new studio in the basement once it's ready. Can't wait to get it done. I walked people down there. I'll show you real quick. This thing's gonna be legit. Once we get drywall up here, flooring all in, it's wide open down here. Obviously we'll box that off, but my internet's already right there. My desk's gonna go right in there. The backdrop's gonna be a big TV. I'm gonna have a bathroom over there, big couch, and then a bar way back in that little cubby hole. And yeah, so it's coming together. We got a couple bedrooms upstairs, bathroom, full bath. So it's coming together nice. Coming together nice. The best platform for trading and buying. Well, it depends on if you're, if you want centralized or decentralized. For trading, I've got some platforms for you down there. I've got a partnership with Bybit. They're one of the best spot Bitcoin and trading places. I've also got, if you're interested in leverage trading, Margex down there, and then CoinW is awesome for spot. They're doing a great deal with us right now at CoinW. You enter a free trading group where you get to get a bunch of free information when you sign up using my link. They're all down below in the description. I've got 3 of them down there: CoinW, Bybit, and Margex. Now those are all centralized. If you're talking about DEXs, that's different. Look, I got this picture, guys. Look at this. That's Venice, Italy. How cool is that? It's going to go up on that wall. Pretty sweet. Little patio out here. Little secluded patio out back. It's my laundry room. Walking in. All the doors are off because they're going to be painting those. But I'm going to go get a kitchen table in there coming on Thursday. Making some moves, man. Got a new spot. We're getting ready to go to frickin' Dubai. That's going to be awesome. Token 2049 coming up, guys. I'm leaving for Dubai very, very soon to get out there for the conference. Can't wait. Absolutely can't wait. So, heading this weekend. This weekend we're going to Dubai. We're going to be out there for the conference. So, that's going to be awesome. That's about it right now in terms of what's going on in the market. Nothing else kind of jumping out at us. It's pretty quiet right now. I think we'll go ahead and wrap this one up. Bitcoin's at 70,000 plus, just over. Ethereum at 3,600. Kind of quiet right now. We do have our meme coins still running. Guys, as always, have a profit-taking plan with all your assets, especially your short-term things. Make sure you're staying locked into this whole thing every single day. You can't afford to take your eyes off the prize here. And in addition to that, I thank you guys for joining us here today. I really, really do. Sorry, I'm looking at my screen behind if it looks weird, I'm looking at a screen behind there. I really do enjoy hanging out with you guys. Appreciate you guys so much for your support. If you would, consider subscribing before you leave. And we did cover K9, Robert. We did cover K9. And I appreciate you guys, okay? Appreciate you guys. Have a fantastic day. I'm going to be creating some more videos too. They'll be out on the channel. Make sure you guys check them out. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. Peace out.